Hi, so today we're going to have a look at two of the techniques that we can work with the climber liner. So the first one will be the double C, where we line the box and create a lid, and then do similar with the sides to create an enclosed environment. And then similar way that we would always pack with everything else, make sure that we have touching points for the ice packs on every product, every step of the way. And then place the additional products in, fold the liner down, creating a lid and the enclosed environment. And then, as before, using our paper tape, and our H configuration. To make sure that we keep the environment enclosed and within temperature range. So now we're going to look at the alternative packing method, and my favourite, the X configuration. So we take two liners, and it's as simple as it sounds. Create it next, and push. And now we have a solution completely enclosing the entire environment. Same again, putting the food down into the liners in the box, and making sure we have touching points with the ice pack whenever possible, to ensure everything gets maximum protection. And then jump packs on the top as well, just to make sure that cold air flows down. And again, we've completely enclosed the environment there. Now we do have some void in the top, so we'll take some paper void fill, folding down the flaps, ready to go. Then we'll do the H taping once again. There we are.